In a time when craftsmanship met ingenuity, the Rocker Classic Printing Press Mechanical 3D Wooden Puzzle LK602 revives the artistry of early printmaking through hands-on assembly. This 303-piece masterpiece blends mechanical elegance and childhood charm, offering a tactile journey into the roots of movable type. Within the precision-cut wooden structure, you'll find detailed engravings, a curious carved bear pressman, and decorative gears that mimic the pulse of the industrial age. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with practical tools designed to elevate every meal. The innovative design allows for effortless portability, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. Maximize your storage efficiency by strategically packing your alcohol stove and essential accessories into compact compartments, giving you more space for other gear. This thoughtful design ensures you can carry everything you need without compromising on comfort. In the world of high-performance audio gear, few options match the blend of comfort and durability offered by these open-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones. Powered by Bluetooth 5.2, you'll enjoy a stable, lag-free connection with low latency, perfect for calls or streaming music on the move. With an impressive 30 hours of playtime on a full charge, you'll get through the entire week without scrambling for a charger. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. The Xeon X 16-inch 2.5K touchscreen portable monitor offers an immersive display experience in a sleek and portable design. With its 16-inch touchscreen and 2.5K resolution, it delivers crystal-clear visuals perfect for work, gaming, or entertainment. The ultra-slim 6mm profile makes it easy to carry and set up, providing flexibility for both professional and casual users. Designed for versatility, it can be used in a variety of environments, from home offices to on-the-go presentations. The Oregon CS 1500 chainsaw delivers exceptional power and reliability for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a 15-amp motor, this electric chainsaw is designed to tackle tough cutting jobs with ease. Its integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system offers a significant advantage, allowing you to quickly sharpen the chain in just 3 to 5 seconds, keeping you productive without unnecessary downtime. With an 18-inch guide bar, the CS 1500 is ideal for a wide range of tasks, from pruning to tree cutting. When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Boxblade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate. The dual rechargeable batteries provide lasting power, enabling Boxblade to tackle even the thickest boxes without slowing down. In the quiet hours of the night or the bustle of your day, the Ebo X stands watch with unwavering precision. This compact AI-driven Homebot enhanced by GPT-40 Mini isn't just smart, it's deeply intuitive. Guided by V-Slam navigation, it maneuvers seamlessly through your space, learning room layouts and adjusting its patrols in real time. Its 4K stabilized moving camera, enhanced with night vision, captures crystal clear footage whether it's noon or midnight, offering complete visibility when you need it most. When your day demands power without compromise, the EcoFlow River 3 delivers. This compact yet capable power station holds a 245 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that brings high-efficiency performance with enhanced durability and safety. Whether you're out in the backcountry or riding out a storm at home, the River 3 offers a stable 300-watt AC output, surging up to 600 watts for heavier tools or appliances. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. In a world where productivity meets wellness, the FlexiSpot V9NA redefines the workspace. This sleek exercise bike with an integrated desktop and silent wheels encourages motion without disrupting your focus. Built for those who value both physical health and workflow, this versatile cycling workstation makes every minute count, whether you're on a Zoom call or tackling your to-do list. The precision-engineered frame supports low-impact pedaling that's easy on the joints while quietly operating under 60 decibels, making it perfect for home or office. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. Under dim gaming room lights, presence matters, and the right gear turns a desk into a battle station. The S3 RGB headset stand from Fifine brings visual command and practical power in one solid structure. Built for gamers who crave both performance and aesthetics, this stand is far more than just a holder. It offers dual USB 2.0 ports for quick access and convenient connectivity, ideal for plugging in flash drives, keyboards, or charging your headset. A collector's display deserves more than just shelves. It needs precision, power, and purpose. The Top QM Modular LED miniature storage delivers just that with two smartly sized configurations engineered for custom stacking and flawless illumination. Each unit is constructed using high-grade injection-molded ABS, delivering automobile-level toughness without any off-putting odor. Its modular design ensures seamless expansion, allowing collectors to build vertically and securely with up to 22 adjustable height layers. When nightfall blankets the landscape and visibility drops, the Tevele telescopic lantern stands ready to illuminate your surroundings with authority. Emitting up to 800 lumens of crisp, wide-angle light, this compact powerhouse adapts to your needs with adjustable height and intelligent brightness control. The built-in smart remote gives you hands-free command over light intensity and mode, whether you're deep in the woods or sheltering during a blackout. Engineered for exceptional pool cleaning performance, the Aper Seagull Pro sets a new standard with its cutting-edge design and advanced technology. The Seagull Pro's 200-watt peak power output makes it the most powerful cordless robotic pool cleaner on the market, delivering impressive suction strength and thorough cleaning across various pool surfaces. Equipped with a high-capacity 7,800 mAh battery, the Seagull Pro provides an industry-leading 150-minute runtime. When lawn care meets machine intelligence, the result is precision without compromise. The AirSeekers Tron transforms how homeowners approach yard work. Engineered for complex yards, this smart device navigates seamlessly with 360-degree AI vision navigation, identifying obstacles and rerouting with smart collision avoidance. No bumping, no guessing. Unlike traditional systems, there's no need for perimeter wiring or dealing with signal issues. Forget the noisy gas generators or lugging melting bags of ice to your campsite. The FlexTail Evo Icer is engineered for serious outdoor performance, bringing reliable ice-making power wherever your next adventure takes you. Equipped with a robust 200 watt-hour internal battery, this compact unit can churn out 12 ice cubes in just 5 minutes, thanks to its advanced Ice Burst X rapid refrigeration technique. Unleash barista-level results from the comfort of your kitchen with a foam maker designed for precision and performance. Whether you prefer delicate microfoam or dense, spoonable peaks, this device delivers professional quality results in seconds. Its dual whisk technology allows for both thin and thick milk foam, ensuring a flawless pour over espresso, cold brew, or matcha. Built to handle up to 24 fluid ounces, this frother suits both single servings and group gatherings. Efficiency isn't just about speed, it's about flexibility, and the Liepao Dual Views delivers both in a sleek 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display built for real productivity. Whether you're deep into code, editing visuals, or managing spreadsheets, its 1080p resolution brings clarity without straining your eyes, thanks to an advanced eye care screen. Designed with mobility in mind, it weighs just under 1.7 pounds and slips easily into your laptop bag. Engineered for professionals who demand uncompromising control over their workstation layout, the Aries Wing dual monitor arm sets a new standard for stability, strength, and adjustability, designed to accommodate ultra-wide and curved monitors ranging from 17 to 49 inches. This vertical stacking system supports up to 22 pounds per arm, making it ideal for creative pros, developers, and traders alike. Clarity meets control in every inch of your workspace with SecDeck's ultra-wide high-definition touchscreen. This isn't just a display, it's an interface that transforms how you interact with your tools, files, and creative flow. Measuring over 17 inches diagonally, the panel delivers crisp resolution and finger-sensitive navigation, letting you glide through tasks with zero friction. Slide between full-screen main views with seamless transitions, maximizing your layout with every swipe. Command your gaming domain with precision using the 8-bit Do Ultimate 3-mode controller for Xbox and Jade, a sleek fusion of power and control engineered for serious players. Designed for seamless cross-platform play, this officially licensed controller offers a tri-mode connection. Plug in via USB for Xbox Series X, S, or Xbox One, switch to 2.4 gig wireless for Windows PCs, or go fully mobile with Bluetooth on Android and Apple devices. Step away from digital fatigue with a spa-inspired solution engineered to restore comfort where it matters most: your eyes. The iSpa is not just a massager, it's a fully immersive therapy system tailored to hydrate, energize, and soothe tired eyes in minutes. With instant cooling and heating, your eyes receive immediate relief from strain and puffiness. Fine mist massage introduces moisture gently, combating dryness while enhancing the soothing experience. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Precision meets purpose in a blade that adapts as swiftly as you do. This isn't just an everyday carry knife, it's a modular tool engineered for those who demand control, durability, and design. Built to evolve with your needs, it combines elite materials with effortless customization. Whether you prefer the sleek feel of titanium, the textured grip of G10, the refined finish of carbon fiber, or the distinct beauty of Damascus steel, the handle transforms in seconds without tools. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffys step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffys handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Locked and loaded for high-stakes mobile gaming, the Absolute S9 pushes beyond the limits of average controllers. Built for iPhone 15, 16, iPad mini 6, 7, and Android devices, this full-size Bluetooth and Type-C gamepad transforms your handheld experience into console-level command. Dual Hall-effect joysticks offer precise movement control with virtually no drift, while responsive triggers ensure fast-twitch accuracy in every firefight. Crafted for professionals who demand clarity, performance, and data integrity on the go, this 7-in-1 USB-C hub with integrated M.2 SSD enclosure elevates your workflow to the next level. The vivid touchscreen offers intuitive control, allowing real-time SSD health monitoring, toggling read-only mode, and fan speed adjustment, all without launching software. In the world of premium spirits, ice is more than a detail, it's a defining element. For years, we made do with cloudy cubes from standard fridge trays and budget machines. The result? Icy drinks that reeked of freezer burn and melted into watery shadows of their intended taste. That wasn't acceptable. Not for those who savor every note in a single malt or bourbon. We explored faster machines, sleeker models, but they fell short. The ice came out brittle, hollow, or too quick to disappear. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixel, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixel isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. The Ultimatum bag stands as a refined solution for modern, minimalist living. Its intelligent modular design adapts effortlessly to a wide range of environments, offering seamless transitions between work, leisure, or travel. With its emphasis on functionality, the bag is tailored to accommodate everything you need without excess. Equipped with versatile compartments, the Ultimatum bag allows for easy organization, ensuring that your essentials are readily accessible. Air Grip Sport Socks are designed for athletes who demand optimal performance and stability during intense activity. These socks feature advanced polyurethane pads strategically placed on the soles, sides, and even toes. This innovative design offers unmatched non-slip grip, ensuring you maintain your footing whether you're sprinting, climbing, or jumping. The snug fit of these socks enhances comfort while promoting natural movement, reducing distractions caused by ill-fitting gear.